Is the Zillow Zestimate of your home accurate? Hey everybody, it's a question that we get asked all the time. And to answer that question, no, oftentimes the Zillow Zestimate is not accurate for the value of your house. Here's a prime example, you guys. We're standing in the neighborhood here in Bonney Lake. The house behind me is identical to this home right here. In regards to, it is the same floor plan. They are the same square footage, same bedroom count, same bathroom count. I mean, heck, the lot size is even very similar to these homes. Yet, however, this home right here is estimated at $994,000, whereas the estimate on this home right next door is $1,076,000. You guys, that is over an $80,000 difference in the estimate of these two homes in the same neighborhood next to each other. Automated values basically take into consideration things like public records, tax information, current sales, but they are just automated values. If you guys are curiously wanting to know accurately what the value of your home is in today's market, contact Jill and I. We are your local real estate resource. We're here serving you.